Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Leo people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. So Leo people, this is your current energy, 7 of Pentacles. And 10 of Pentacles is your partner's current energy. Alright. So with this card 7 of Pentacles, it seems like Leo people, you are not working towards anything and anyone right now. Okay. Be it your relationship, be it your finances, be it your career, be it your job. You guys are taking a break from your life, from your routine life basically. It seems like you guys are taking some rest from your partner, from this relationship thing. Okay, and you just want to recall or cherish all the good memories which you have spent with this person, if I talk about from a relationship perspective. And if I talk about from your professional life perspective or general life perspective, so it seems like you are taking a break from your routine life or regular life, and you just want to sit down and sit peacefully and just look back into past and just see whatever you have earned in your life so far. But when it comes to love thing or relationship thing, yes, it seems like you want a break from this person and you just want to recall all the good memories, whatever you have cherished with this person. If you guys are going through some kind of a legal separation or some kind of a divorce processes, or even though if you guys are into dating period, that time also you need some your me time to recall or to cherish your good memories. All right. So at this point of time, you are just you are into your own mindset, you are into your own energies, that I do not want to talk to anyone, I don't want to meet anyone, I don't want to do anything, I just want to sit back and relax. All right. On the other hand, we have 10 of Pentacles. Leo, this is your partner's current energy. So with this card, it seems like your person is somehow missing you. Okay, they are missing your presence, because see, if I talk about from this card, if I have to clarify this card or if I have to explain this card, so it seems like your person is someone who is blessed with everything in life. Okay, and I can see that both of you are on a same page, as in I feel that both of you are married to each other. Okay, you guys can be husband and wife. Okay, so this person is missing you basically. This person has everything in life. This person has good family, good home, good materialistic things. They have emotions, they have kids, they have pets, but deep down in their heart they are missing you. All right. Now let's see what is the mutual current energy between you and your partner. What is the current mutual energy between Leo and their partner? What is the mutual current energy between Leo and their partner? Conditioning. All right. So with this card conditioning, it seems like one of you is feeling demotivated. One of you is feeling, what am I doing with this people, or what am I doing in my life? Okay, some of you have really strong gut feelings, but somehow you are stopping your heart, you are stopping your mind to take certain actions towards something. Okay, basically if I talk about from this card's perspective, so one of you is a warrior, but still you are surrounded by certain people or certain energies. That's why you are not able to move ahead. You feel stuck. It seems like it's you, Leo, it's you, because as I said, that you are taking your own time, you are just enjoying, you just want to sit back and relax. So it seems like you are trying to give up on something, or perhaps you are not understanding what is your worth, what's your potential in life, or about this relationship. Okay, now let's see what your person feels about how they see you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. Compromise. See what I said. Your person is seeing you that you are being you are compromising on certain things. Okay, the source, sorry, it created, oh my god, Leo. So let's talk about this card first. So we have the compromise card. Leo, your person sees you as somebody who is being very in a very compromising situation. Okay, this could be because of your finances, this could be because of your emotional things, this could be because of anything, but they see you as somebody who is compromising a lot in their life. Perhaps you are trying to make other people happy, that's why you are compromising a lot. It could also happen, Leo, that you are being somebody who is compromising on your happiness just for the sake of your family, just for the sake of your friends, just for the sake of somebody else. Okay, I told you that you are a warrior. I told you when I explained this card that you are somebody who is a warrior, but still you are, denying your power, or you are not understanding what is your true potential and caliber is. So it's completely, this card is completely for you. Your person is also seeing you in the same manner. This person is warrior. Can you see the swords? They see you as a warrior, but still you are compromising on certain things. But the thing is that you are not disclosing that particular reason to your person. Alright, that's why they are missing you, because you are not talking to them. The current situation is the creator. The current action from your partner's side towards you is creator. It seems like your person is believing, is putting their faith in divine and God. Okay, they know that if God has bring you into their life, that means there must be a reason behind it. Alright, so that at this point of time they are praying for you, they are giving healing to you, and apart from that they are believing in divine. The future card is the most positive card for you, Leo. Master itself has appeared for you. So whatever your desires are, whatever your person is planning for you in future, whatever actions they are planning to do towards you in future, that thing, that action, that planning, that proposal, that offer is going to be fulfilled. You need not to worry at all. Alright, okay, so Leo, it seems like some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and yes, okay, so Leo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.